From Taylor J Show, and we are getting ready to try the Dorito Roulette chips. I opened them just to smell them. We did not try them yet. This is my son Jay. This is Honey.
Hi.
You can't see her, but there she go. That's Jay. And me. We all chocolate. Alright, so we're all gonna grab a chip and we're gonna taste it. So these are the new Dorito Roulette. And basically, we don't know, because it's a roulette, so we don't know if they are spicy or regular. So you guys take two. Just take two each.
Here. But we try them at the same time or one at a time?
We can try them one at a time. Alright, so we're going to try the first chip first.
I'm good.
Okay.
I like it.
I think this one is like a tad bit, but no, like it's spicy in my throat. But let me try this one.
Oh, I got it.
I got it too. Alright. Okay.
That's the burn.
Yeah, I don't have nothing to drink on me either. So yeah. Woo!
Literally.
So, the first chip we got was mild. Ooh. The second one, oh my god. It's making my throat heck so tight. Oh my god. Okay. We through. But yeah, you guys, we had fun doing that with you guys. I just wanted to show my little babies to you guys. Say bye, you guys.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Thank you for watching my mommy video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.